Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD. And today's Wednesday, May 3rd, 2023. It is 4:55 and 32 seconds, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And today's research, air pollution. So let's hop to it here. Air pollution may increase risk of dementia, complicated by genetics. Date May 2nd, 2023. Source, University of California. Researchers describe how exposure to ambient air pollution, such as car exhaust and power plant emissions, is associated with a measurably greater risk of developing dementia over time. Researchers examined baseline cognitive assessments of approximately 1,100 men, particularly the ongoing Vietnam era twin study of aging. Average baseline age was 56, with 12 years of follow-up. They additionally looked at measures of exposure to particulate matter, PM2.5, and air and nitrogen dioxide, NO2, which is created when fossil fuels are burned, and assessments of episodic memory, executive function, verbal fluency, brain processing speed, and APOE genotype. APOE is a gene that provides instructions for making a protein crucial to the transport of cholesterol and other fats in the bloodstream. One version of allele of APOE, called APOE4, has been identified as a strong risk factor gene for Alzheimer's disease. The researchers found that participants with higher levels of exposure to PM2.5 and NO2 in their 40s and 50s displayed worse cognitive functioning and verbal fluency from age 56 to 68. And persons with APOE4 allele appeared even more sensitive, with those exposed to higher PM2.5 levels showing worse outcomes for executive function, and those with higher NO2 exposure showing worse outcomes involving episodic memory. Executive function refers to higher level cognitive skills used to plan, control, and coordinate mental behaviors and acts. Episodic memory is the ability to recall and re-experience distinct, specific past events. The 2020 Lancet report concluded that modifying 12 risk factors, which include other like education and depression of mild life, could reduce dementia incidence by as much as 40%. That report placed ambient air pollution as a greater risk for Alzheimer's and related dementias than diabetes, physical activity, hypertension, alcohol consumption, and obesity. The findings underscore the importance of identifying modifiable risk factors as early in life as possible, and that the processes by which air pollution affects risk for later life cognitive decline begins earlier than previous studies suggest. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.